What we got here is a deep versus a deep, man. John Diesel at the football game. Ooh. Ooh. I got that one. Hey man, you already know what it is, man. John the Hitman, Diesel, man. Let's go straight to it. Anyhow, man, we're out here in San Leandro, right? Fucking with it, right? At the Turkey Bowl. The young goons out there playing football, right? You know what I'm saying? Shit, I remember a while back, well, years ago, I'm talking about 30 plus years ago, the Border Brothers had a game against Quince at Garfield Park, at Garfield School, elementary, right? There was a few times that we played football with the op, right? And I know, like in LA, a lot of hoods, you played other hoods and shit, right? It used to be common back in the late 80s, early 90s, right? I don't hear too much of that nowadays, right? Everybody's stuck on social media, right? Fuck going on the playing field. They rather play on social media, right? Am I lying though? Because social media is the way to go. It's crazy, right? Because you could just drop a silly ass video and it's gonna pop, right? Anyhow, man, I hope everybody's having a good Thanksgiving, right? I'm just gonna do a quick short, man, just to let you guys know, man. Stay motivated, stay positive, right? Having a job, going to get a job is that, and keeping a job, that's the easy part, right? Because you know, just go work, do your 8 hours, and then come home, and then you're good, right? But some people ain't comfortable with that. Some people ain't comfortable with just going to work, doing your 8 hours, and coming back home. They say, a eso le dicen conformistas, right? They're okay with that, right? But for one, I'm not even a yes sir, no sir type of dude. I don't like to be told what to do, right? I like to be my own boss, right? I don't like taking orders. It's tough. Sometimes you might have to because that's the way life's playing out, you know. But I wasn't even like that in prison either, right? And that is one of the reasons why I had a few issues in prison, right? Because I wasn't a yes sir, no sir type of dude, right? I wasn't a yes sir, no sir type of inmate, right? You know what I'm saying? Of course, I always show respect, right? But I always voice my opinion, right? And you know, some people didn't like it, but I'm getting the fuck off track, right? So, you know, your inspiration should be trying to move forward. There's never enough game, right? You can always move forward, right? There's never a such thing, okay, I'm done elevating. No, that doesn't exist, right? You can always elevate. From wherever level you're at in life, there's always a next level, right? But if you're not trying to push forward and to reaching that next level, you're never gonna get there. If you're not making any intentions to move forward, then how the fuck are you supposed to get to the next level if you're not trying to move? You know? So as long as you're moving forward, right? But like I said, if you're okay with sitting where you're at, life is cool with you, you got your bills paid, and you're just living life, being cool, smoke you want, and go to sleep and go to work, and that's it, that's how you want to live, that's all good, right? But if you have inspiration to elevate your life and your game, you just keep pushing forward, right? Because there's always another level, a better level, right? But anyhow, man, moving on, right? So I know there's a lot of people out there that want to become rappers, that want to start a YouTube channel. You always say, oh, I'm gonna get a YouTube channel going, or I'm gonna start my rap career, but you don't get to it, right? And a lot of people think that you drop one video, one song, and that's gonna be your ticket. Most of the time, your one video is not gonna go. So what do you do next? You drop another video, and then another one. And the only way you're gonna get in people's faces is if you're dropping consistently, right? You gotta be in these people's faces if you're trying to build a YouTube channel, a rap career. You gotta be in these people's faces, right? You gotta keep dropping, especially at the beginning of your career. You know, you gotta come out here and pop your shit, right? And you better be hot too, though. Don't be spitting no boo-boo, man. You know what I mean? Don't be spitting no whack ass shit, right? But So yeah, man. You know, just keep going though, man. Sometimes we're in a situation in a relationship with the female is tripping on you when you go to the studio. She's always wants to fight. She thinks you're going out to fuck with bitches, but you're really trying to go to the studio. She's always nagging and shit, right? Or why you want to start a YouTube channel? You're gonna fail. You're not gonna make it. You're not a cameraman. You don't know how to be behind the camera. You know what I'm saying? It's just a lot of negative energy, right? So when you have those type of people around you telling you that you can't do it, especially your female, you got to push yourself away from those type of people, man. The only type of people you should be engaging with are people that believe in your vision or believe in what you're doing or agree with you, right? Or, some people might agree with you, but deep down inside, they're like, man, fuck this nigga, right? On some hate shit, right? But you got to know how to, pinpoint those out, right? But that's something else. I'm talking about gathering yourself and being around nothing but positive people that are doing good just like you, so the positive energy can come together, right? Because we bring our negative, the negative shit that happens to us, we bring that upon ourselves, right? Based on the way we are conducting ourselves out here in society, right? If you're out here fucked up shit's gonna happen to you, right? That's the way life is, right? Life's gonna come charging. You can't get away with nothing. Any bad deeds that you have in your mind, you just need to push that away. Because if you act on them deeds, you might get away today, and life might seem good today right now, but when life comes charging, yeah, he gonna take all that. You know what I'm saying? And you're gonna be fucked off, right? Just be a good person, right? Don't try to step on the next person's neck to get to the next level, right? Because a lot of you niggas like to step on people's necks to get to the next level, right? And that's where you be fucking up at, because then somebody gonna come step on your neck, right? That's how the way life is, right? But anyhow, man, moving on, man. You guys have a good Thanksgiving, man, and stay passionate with what it is that you like to do. Whatever it is that you like to do. If it's bringing you money and you like what you're doing, because a job is supposed to be something that you like to do. If you go to work grumpy and mad that you gotta go to work, it's gonna be an awful job, it's gonna be an ugly day. You gotta find yourself doing some type of job, some type of work that makes you feel comfortable and that you like to do. Find a way up in there, man. But anyhow, yeah. So just be cool, man. Just keep pushing, man. Anyhow, John Diesel, man. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody. And we out here, man. Back